Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Okay, I told you to go through the A map. You know that is the two variable, three variable, and four variable. I hope that you have gone through it and now you can understand that where to write which term.
Yes.
Okay. So you all are not muted yet. So I'm waiting for others to join. Now today what we are going to do is I will take a example question. Now I want to explain you how to simplify the expression using K-map. But for this, we need one example, one question. I'm going to take one question. It will take a lot of time because I have not explained you that how do we group the numbers. Suppose the question is given to us, then how do we move forward with the question? What are the rules? There are a lot of rules that I have to explain today. But for that, rather than explaining it without an example, I said that let's explain the rules. We will form three type of things today. One is pair. You all know what is pair. Pair is group of two. So if one is adjacent to each other, there are two ones adjacent to each other in adjacent cells, then we will consider them as a pair. Then there is no possibility of a group of three. Three wala koi feature nahi hai. Then comes four. Four is quad. So if four ones are adjacent to each other in the form of 1, 1, 1, 1, like a square, or in straight line, 1, 1, 1, 1, vertical or horizontal, we will call it quad. Then what is octet? Octet is group of 8, positive terms. So if they are in one line adjacent to each other vertically or horizontally, we will consider it as a group. And then we will apply some rules to simplify these terms. Okay, so what I have done is I'm going to share the screen. Before that, I will make you mute. If you have any problem, you will have to raise your hand. I have disabled the chat today. So mute all. Participants will unmute themselves. Okay, I'm giving you the right to unmute yourself. So you can unmute and speak if you have a doubt. But don't do hello, hello, good morning, and sana just saunak wala ha ha ha. Okay. Okay. So I'm going to share the screen. I have kept see, I was late today 1 minute because I was making that file and I forgot that I have to conduct a class also. So I'm going to open that file. It's a Word file. So here the Word file is. Okay, now what we are going to solve today is this question. Yes, this question we are going to solve. I hope it is visible. This is visible, this question, or you want me to increase the font size? It's visible, right?
Visible.
So now here, this is the question. Now this question is asked for 5 marks. The question is that function of A, B, C, D. So how many variables we have? We have 4 variables. So you should understand when there are 4 input variables, we will have 16 boxes in our K-map. Nobody will come and tell you, okay, you need 8 boxes or 16 boxes. It is up to you to decide. And that depends on the number of variables you will count here. 1, 2, 3, 4. If there are 3, then you need 8 boxes. If there are 2, you need 4 boxes. But for 5 marks, they always ask a 4 variable question. So now this is your basic thing that I have taught you. This box is C bar D bar. This position is C bar D bar. This whole column. This is C bar D. This is CD and this is CD bar. This first row is A bar B bar. Why A bar B bar? Because A's value is 0 and B's value is 0 for this whole row. Now I'm not going to explain it again and again. I hope that it is clear. The value of A and B here in this whole row is 0, 1. That's why it is A bar B. A is 0, B is 1. This is 1, 1 and this is 1, 0. That's why this term comes here. Okay, now this should be very clear. So first, when you have a question, what will you do? You will make this K-map with a pencil. For the students who are not good at drawing, not my problem. Practice. The line should be straight. The boxes should be of equal size. And then you will write these things here on the top of the K-map. You can check your K-maps given in the book. The way they are writing, you will have to write like that. There is a limitation in Word file. I cannot write like that. That's why I have made this box here and one extra row here. Now you will write the place number here. What is the value of this place? This is 0 position. This is 1. This is 2. And this is 3. Like that, you will have to write the position everywhere. 4, 5, 7, 6. Now comes here. This is 8. This is 9. This is 10. And, sorry, this is 11. Now this is 12. This is 13. This is 15 and this is 14. Now I'm not going to tell you again and again why there is 1 here, 0 here, and then why this dancing we are doing. You know the reason. Okay. Now why this is important? Why am I writing this 0, 1, 2, 3? Because this represents this number. In the question you have been given some number. See, it starts from 0. There is a 0 also. So basically there should be a 0 in the table. You cannot start from 1. It is like an array. So now what I will do? I am removing these numbers because it will create a confusion for you, but you should remember what are the numbers that are place values. These are place values. So now यहाँ पे 0 लिखा है means at 0 cell there is positive current. Then at 1 number also positive current. Now why I have chosen 1? Why am I saying positive? Because it is summation, it is SOP. This question is related to SOP, and for SOP the normal value is 1. So wherever this place value is given, there you will put a 1. Now where is 2, where is 3? 2 is here and 3 is here. Now where is 5 and 7? 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5. This is 6 and this is 7. Where is 8? 8 is here. 8, 9, 11, 10. Now,
Madam, but in that question 6 is not given.
so wait dear. Okay, now here 13 and 15. Where is 13 and 15? 12, 13, 14, 15. So किसने बोला order में होगा? What we want that question, they will not ask. I can remove all this and I can give you a question, don't worry. Okay, now this is the question that I have taken because of its simplicity. This question is very simple according to me. Why? I will explain. Because easily I can make an octet. There are 3 things that we can make. One is pair. Pair is a group of 2. One is quad. Quad is a group of 4. Octet. Octet is a group of 8. Now here can you see, we can make a group of 8. Anyone can think of it? These 4 can you see once? Sorry. These 4 and these 4. Do you know the world map we have on a globe? How is it? It is like this. I'll explain it to you with a paper. So this is the last, you know, these portions. They are connected with each other. This is called rolling over. We roll over the things. So here if you roll over this table like this, then these ones, and these ones, they come adjacent to each other. Can you imagine that? roll over this K map, you know, vertically or horizontally. I'm not able to understand. ऐसे करना है, ऐसे. So all these 4 ones and all these last 4 ones make a octet. Octet is a group of 8. Okay. So one octet you have made. Octet 1 we have made. We are not making pairs and we are not making quads here. Don't worry, I'll explain it. Don't worry, because for that I will have to take a question where only possibility is of a pair and quad. I have taken a simple question. Now, can you see another octet here? Anyone? Yes, Dara, unmute yourself if you want to speak something.
C bar D and
C bar D
One.
and CD.
Sorry,
Yes.
wrong with me. Basically, this with this. Yes or no? There are 8 ones adjacent to each other. Yes. So we have got
Yes.
one more octet. Basically, because I'm not getting any pair or quad, I'm removing this so that I can concentrate on my octets. Now I have got the octet. Let me highlight these. I know how to highlight. I know a little bit of, you know, word formatting. Why jana highlight? Okay. It is a little, you know, not so good, but it's okay. So see,
Ma'am, do light blue color.
and these 4 ones are one octet. Now tell me their positions. Now how to simplify a K-map? First thing is write ones for SOP in the places which are given in the question. Now somebody, I think Purvam said 6 is not given here. 6 is not given because at 6th place there is no 1. At 6th place there is 0. So for SOP, we are looking for terms that are 1. We are not looking for the terms which are 0. So don't worry, the question can be only 0, 1 also. Question can be anything. Okay. Now here, place ones here. Now make an octet. And now tell me, what is the equation for this? This one, can you see? First one, 0 place. Let me not highlight this. It looks very ugly. Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. Chalo. What is this place? Tell me.
A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar.
Yes. A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar. Plus, why plus? Because it is SOP, sum of products. Tell me next term.
A bar, B bar, C bar, D.
B bar, C bar, D.
A bar, B bar. I'm not going to teach this again. I'm going to tell you. I have told you already. Who is absent today? I don't know. Tell me, participant who is absent. A bar. Do you realize
A bar, B bar, C, D.
Common. Why it is common A bar, B bar? Because all these elements are in the first row.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Now we cannot leave for these 4 only. We have these 4 also to make an octet. Okay, so write down. अब पता चला कैसा होगा?
A, B bar,
Do you
C
realize
bar, D bar.
here, I'm writing here to make it simpler. Do you realize that here A bar B is common? Sorry, A B bar is common everywhere.
Yes.
If you have any doubt, you should ask me. Otherwise, I will think that you are very smart and you have understood everything. And then when I will conduct a test, you will get a 0. Then you will cry. Okay, oh, I don't know anything. Krishna madam has not taught anything.
Madam,
Huh.
Madam, second octet, how it is possible that ones are repeated, then also we can make second octet?
Yes, we can make. Don't worry, I'll explain the rules. There are rules that you cannot have redundant groups. Redundant means this 4 I have taken already, so I cannot take these 4 some with here. यहाँ पे कोई 4 है तो फिर redundant, full redundant we cannot have. Here how many are repeated? Only these 2 and
Yes.
these 2 are repeated. Why are we doing this? That also I will explain. Don't worry. See, I can make a quad here if you want.
Ah, yes.
Yes, ये हो गया. And these 4
Yes.
remaining, I can make a what do we
Quad.
call
Quad.
a quad. Then the problem is that octet gives you a simpler version than quad. See, pair gives you 3 variable simplification. Matlab one variable will be removed. If you have a quad, you will get 2 variables removed. And if you have an octet, you will get an answer in 1 variable only. Don't worry, I'm going to do that. Now, to simplify this, what should I do?
मैम
A bar B bar common.
आपने जो ऑक्टेट बनाया ना उसमें बीच में 2 रोज खाली क्यों है? एडजेसेंट नहीं होना चाहिए?
Which one, my dear? See, I have made only one octet till now. It is this one and this one. Second octet, I have not written the values till now because I want to simplify.
हाँ, so in first octet there are 2 rows in between. तो एडजेसेंट नहीं होना चाहिए?
My dear, roll over. पूरा समझा है तो सही. पूर्वम, sleeping. This is a K-map. चलो, देसी तरीका.
कहाँ?
चलो चलो, not to worry. V-Mart का बिल काम में आ रहा है. Okay. Can you see the ones here? Purvam? 4 ones.
Yes,
Where,
yes.
madam?
And can you see the 4
Ah.
here?
हाँ
हाँ.
Chalo, don't worry.
हाँ
You have problem.
बस शानर.
Now can you see ones in the first row and last row?
yes
Now it is clear, right?
Yes, yes.
Now I am rolling this A map over like this.
Oh,
नहीं
पता
बनाई
चला.
थी तो मोट नहीं बनाई थी.
हाँ हाँ हाँ
Now can you see that all 8 ones are forming an octet?
together
Yes, yes. Got.
हो गया demo. Understood? Now this is
Yes,
possible
understood.
when you have these kind of situation also. When you have ones here, and here, then what you can do? You can roll
Like
over.
this row.
Roll over, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
बाप रे.
पता चल गया.
हाँ
Now this is also an octet. Understood?
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
Yes. Why I have taken this question? Because simplifying an octet is really simple. If you take this method, you will have to take A bar, B bar common. Then C bar, D bar, C, D plus C bar, D. They are complement to each other. Then they will give you 1, 1 and all those. Rather than doing this, shall I show you a shortcut which we are going to use? We are never going to use this method. If you take this method, you will take 1 hour to simplify. Simple
Oh.
method is, what is the simple method? You have these 4 ones. Okay. Now here D bar and D, they will nullify each other.
Yes.
Yes. Or should I say chalo, I will find a simpler way for this whole row A bar, B bar. Okay. Okay, let me tell you. This one, and this one. They will nullify each other. CD and C bar, D
Yes.
bar. C bar, D
Yes, yes.
and CD bar will nullify each other. So this whole thing is nullified. It is null and void gone. Like that, here also it will nullify each other. So what is remaining? The remaining thing here is, I'm writing here. Don't worry, it will take time to understand. I'll explain again. Don't worry. A bar, B bar plus. What is last row? Last row क्या है?
A, B bar.
A B bar
AB bar.
Yes. Now simplify this. What is common?
B bar
A,
B bar.
B bar.
B bar.
What is A,
A plus A bar.
A plus A bar.
1.
1.
1.
1.
It is
So
equals to
answer is
B bar.
B bar
B bar.
This is your answer. For an octet, it will give you an answer in 1 variable. That is the beauty of an octet. So if possible, you should start with taking octets If you can't make an octet, you should go for quad. If you can't make a quad, you should go for a pair.
Pair.
Okay, this question is given on page number 53. I want you to open it because few things are given nicely in the book. Open it so that you can understand. They have drawn the way I am drawing. The only thing is they are drawing something here. ऐसे करके draw कर रहे हैं. That I can do in some other, app, but not in Word file. Can you see the group have been created octet? And first answer is B bar. Can you see that?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. How do we get it? Did you understand? See, if you keep simplifying like this, you will go nowhere. But then also you can try to simplify. You will get the answer as B bar only. The students and students especially, they can try this. Okay, what you will follow here, you will have to know, you should know all the properties of 0 and 1 and all the laws, especially B plus B bar is 1, B dot B bar is 0. Here there will be no dot, but plus wala zyada hoga. Okay, now let us see quad octet 2. If you can help me with this, it will be great. Tell me. I want to simplify this octet. Raise hand so that I can ask you.
Wait.
How will I simplify this? Now don't look in the book and tell me because you will have to explain whatever you will say. I want to simplify this octet. This octet.
Madam, can I tell?
Ma'am, we will take out D common. So C bar plus C.
See, I will tell you.
Madam.
All these things will nullify each other.
Yes.
Yes.
So what do we have? This two.
B bar D.
C bar D and CD.
Okay, now C bar and C will nullify each other.
So D.
What is the answer?
D.
Answer is
D.
C, D. So actually
D.
your answer, see, please understand octet 1 and octet 2. I want only the answer here, so I'm removing all these things. Okay, I'm removing all these terms. Octet 1, answer is B bar. Octet 2, the answer is B.
D.
Now the answer you have got for 2 octets, you will add these to Y because it is sum of products. So B bar is your product and D is your product, and you will put a plus sign in between. This is your answer.
B bar plus D.
B bar plus D is the simplified form of this whole equation. So from there to here, we have solved it. Now let me explain some basic things which I have not explained yet. I will take different combinations here. Okay, now let me remove this. This is the question. You will never get such simple question, but this is the question. How will you solve?
0.
Make a pair.
2 pair.
You can only make a pair because octet ke liye to you need 8 ones. So 8 ones, so you don't have it only. So how will you simplify this? Give me the simplified form. Now you will have
C bar.
Chalo.
A bar, B bar. C
Wait,
bar.
I will rub this. Wait. I will write pair 1. There is only one pair here.
Yes.
First tell me the position of the pair.
A bar B bar C bar.
A bar, B bar, C bar,
C bar.
D bar.
Chalo.
Madam, answer is A bar B bar C bar.
अरे wait.
अला भाई book માંથી જોવા.
Us. A bar, B bar, C bar, D.
Chalo. Yes.
D.
B bar, C bar is common.
So first 3 terms common.
D bar plus.
First 3 comes common.
D bar
D
plus
bar and
D.
D will nullify each other.
So answer is.
A bar B bar C bar.
A bar, B bar, C
You
bar.
remember when we had an octet, the answer was in one variable. Here the answer is in 3 variables. So we have got rid of only one variable, that is B. Do you understand?
Yes.
Now I will make one more pair.
So quad.
Chalo. solve and give me the answer. I am not asking a particular student. All will solve. I'm writing the answer here for me. All will copy from me. I know that.
A bar B C
What is the place value of these two? I have not told you yet. 0, 1, 2, 3.
Madam, answer is BCD bar.
Wait.
BCD bar.
BCD bar.
First place value चाहिए था भाई. You are all taking
But
part, not allowed.
अर्धा लोग कार्य वगैरह बोल दो क्या
A bar B से.
Answer will be A bar B, CD bar plus
A B C D D bar.
Yes. So what is common? BCD bar.
BCD bar.
bar.
तो ब्रैकेट में क्या बचेगा?
A bar plus A.
Plus A.
A bar plus A.
BCD bar.
Hmm.
So what is the answer? BCD bar. Do you realize that here also the answer is in three variables? It is not very simple like A bar or C or D. Why? Because it does not make an octet. We have made a pair. So now you understand that if you have two pairs in the question, suppose this is the question. I'm writing it here. The place value of 0, 1 tha, and then it was 6 and 40. So this question would have given you what answer, do you know? Oh madam, we don't know anything. We are just
A bar
A
B
bar
bar.
B bar C bar plus
A bar D bar.
B
bar.
B C D bar.
So answer would have been A bar, B bar, C bar.
A bar D bar.
This would have been the answer. It is not very simple. Do you
Yes.
realize why it is not very simple? In the previous question, we got answer like B bar plus B. It was really simple answer. Here it is not that simple. Why? Because in that question we had two octets. We had two octets, so simplifying was very easy. Here we have only two pairs. One here and one here. Now let me tell you what is not possible with the pair. Suppose there is one here. Then you cannot make a group of three. ऐसा नहीं है. There is no feature of collection of three. Triplets जैसा nothing in Cambridge. There is no triplets in Cambridge. So how would you solve this question? Tell me. If the question is this 0, 1, 2.
You can make two doublets. I mean, two pairs. I mean, one is A bar, B bar.
Two pairs we have made.
One pair and one we will leave like that only.
One will write separately.
This is one. This is another. Now what to do with this one?
A dash B and A dash B dash B.
Where to group this one? That answer I want. With whom shall I make a pair? किसके साथ जोड़ी बनाऊं? Here you need a repetition. You will have to take either this one or this one. How? These two pair, you can make these two pair and then you can simplify.
Yes.
The other way is this one and this one. Now how is this possible? Because of this.
Yes.
So here, rolling over. So in these kind of conditions, you can go either vertically or horizontally and make a pair. Now you might be thinking that, madam, this is repetition. This is a repetition for a purpose. What is the purpose? The purpose is that this one should not be alone. Akela akela nahi chalega. Because then you will not get a proper simple form. That is why this one has to be paired with some other one to make it a pair. Now let me tell you what is not allowed. Last 10 minutes for us. What is not allowed? Let me tell you. Now I will remove this. Let it be. These two, making a pair of these two is not allowed. This one and this one.
Diagonally
allowed.
are possible.
You need it in one line, either vertically, horizontally allowed, rolling over allowed, but going like this diagonally not allowed. So even if you have variables like 1, 1, you cannot make. Then what you will do? In this condition, what will you do? Tell me. I'm removing this number here and I'm adding. What is this place? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This is 11. In this case, what will you do? Tell me. Because you are not able to make a pair, octet or quad of this one, you will write it as it is. So what I will write, here, AB bar,
AB bar.
CD.
CD.
But you cannot just leave it. And then you will have to simplify this whole thing. It is simple form, but it is not looking like a simple form because here we have only few ones. Please remember, the bigger the question, the simpler it is to solve. When we had a lot of numbers here, it was very simple. You got a very simple answer. Okay, but because there are less numbers here, it becomes difficult. Now let me take one more question of 3 variable K-map. I have already kept it ready. 3 variable K-map. Okay, so this is my 3 variable K-map. I hope you can understand why there are only 8 boxes here. Nobody knows, all are sleeping. Good morning.
Yes, ma'am. We know.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, see, till now I have explained only SOP. I have not explained POS. Don't worry, we'll take it slowly. We cannot go very fast. Otherwise, you all will have problems. So that's why we are going very slow. Now, this question that I am writing here is, it is this question. Function of ABC 0, 2, 4, 5, 7. 0, 2, 4, 5, 7. Okay, now I want to solve this question. Come on. Where will I put 1? Do you understand why am I putting 1 only? I'm not putting a 0 because of this sign, summation. If it is pi sign, then it will become 0, 0, 0, 0, wherever this number is. So where will I put 1? Jill.
That only there at the cursor one. After in A dash, B dash, C dash one, and then another one will be at A dash, B, C dash.
Here. Here.
Wait, madam.
Take time, not to worry. Others will also tell me.
For 4, we will put one at A, B dash, C dash.
You don't tell me. See, place number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tell me. This is one cell number 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 5, 6, 7, 8. Tell me where to put 1.
0, 2, 4, 5, 7.
वो तो मुझे भी पता है. You forgot that he is not a smarter. See, this is 0. Place value 0. This is 1. See, I told you very important this is. And you are confused only. Now, 4, 5,
7, 6.
And 6.
and 7.
Yeah.
These place values, if you don't know, then you are gone. 5 marks. Gaya. Okay. So basically, I'll put out accordingly. I'm removing this because it is confusing. Place value and that one, they will conflict with each other. So I think I have to place 1 here.
1001.
Then
In
here.
the last column.
Last
and this
one.
3.
And
Yes.
first it, yeah,
Three.
this 3 all.
Three.
Right?
हाँ there and there.
Yes.
There, हाँ, but
I think I'm right.
3
Okay,
pairs.
now tell me the number of pairs, number of words.
3
Is possible.
pairs.
Nana is saying
Pairs
3
possible.
pairs.
No, 4 pairs. Sorry.
Oh,
2 pairs.
3 pairs. 2 pairs, yeah. There are 2
Three
pairs.
pair.
basically I have
3
a
pairs.
variety of answers.
3 pairs.
4 pairs.
3 pairs. 3 pairs.
3.
4 pairs.
Yes,
4.
Ishan.
4.
3 pairs, you tell me which 3.
That first we will roll over the map and the ones on the either side we will join and make a pair.
2, 3.
You know the place number, no? 0 and 2.
0 and 2.
Okay, how do
Then
we define the
4
pair? Do
and
you know?
5.
Please learn this. To define the pair, you will write the number here. 0, 2 is 1 pair. Then pair 2.
Okay.
0,
Then 4 and 5.
There is 4 and 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 4, 5, right. Then what?
0,
Pair
4.
three.
And
5,
5,
7.
7, I think.
People who
5,
are
7 and
saying
0,
there will be
4.
4 pairs, they
0,
will
4
ready
also.
their answer.
0, 4 also.
It is 0, 4 also
5,
we can.
7.
That is why 4 it is.
Okay. See, now which ones are taken? This one is taken in a pair.
Yes.
Yes.
This is taken.
Yes.
This is taken. This is
Yes.
taken. Bacha kya?
Yes.
Good.
7.
Now,
7th one.
rather
Yes.
than writing this, keeping this person alone, we can club this with this one.
Yes. 5,
Yes.
5,
5,
7.
7.
Yes. So the third pair is 5, 7. Now this is not redundancy. This is not redundancy because we have done it for a purpose. We have done it because we cannot leave this one alone. So that's why we have grouped it with this one which was already
Madam,
taken.
0, 4 we can't take instead of
0, 4.
Yes, who was that?
0.
What is the combination? I can hear you. I can hear you. Not to worry. You can take these two. Okay, these two. And this one with this one. So here the repeated one is this one. Can you understand? I'm not able to draw because I don't have that pencil feature in Word. But do you understand what I'm trying to say? These two. These two. And but here we need 4 pairs. No, 1, 2, 3, and 4 pairs. So we don't want. This combination is best that we have selected. This is best. Now simplify this. Come on. Who will simplify? Next time, keep your notebook ready with you. You will simplify all these things on your own.
0, 2.
Follow. You want shortcut or that long route you want to take? This
Now
and
long
this.
route.
So B and B bar will nullify each other. Can you see B bar and B here?
Yes.
A bar, C bar.
This one, C bar.
A bar, C bar.
A bar, C bar.
And this
C
B.
bar.
So C
A
bar,
bar, C
bacha.
bar for first
यहाँ
one.
क्या बचा? A bar. So what is the answer?
A bar or C
A
bar?
bar, C bar.
A bar, C bar.
4, 5. Where is
Second.
4, 5? These two.
4,
so
5.
B
B
bar,
bar,
B
C
bar
bar.
गया. So B bar.
B bar, C.
The answer.
A,
B
B
bar,
bar.
C bar.
A B bar.
For these two, B
Alah.
bar is gone.
Answer,
A,
Amra.
Oh,
A, B
great.
bar.
A, B bar.
Okay.
And
Who
AC.
did not
AC,
understand?
AC.
Don't worry, I'll repeat.
AC. हाँ
AC चल रहा है भाई, चल रहा है. Don't worry.
हाँ चल रहा है.
Okay. So answer is this. My answer is this.
A B bar.
This is SOP, sum of products. We have less than 1 minute, so we can be disconnected at any time. So solve at least one question at home from the exercise. There is a question.
Okay.
Page
Madam, we
number
can simplify
57.